Hello, everybody. I'm very, very happy to be here. I'm co-founder of DeepDrive, coming from Germany, far, far away, but especially based on what we've heard today, sharing exactly the same mindset here. It's great to be here. It's great to have so many people buzzing with this, exciting future of the electric mobility we're facing, and hopefully being part of that and working on that together. But maybe let's start at the beginning. I don't have to say it here because we're all aware of that. Electric vehicles are coming, and electric vehicles are good for us and for this world. But they're still facing main challenges, and two of them are first costs. They're still too expensive, and second of all, the ranges are just not enough. Many consumers are afraid of too long ranges, which results in large batteries which are going to be packaged, which is again very costly, lost lots of weight, and so on. And these two problems we aim to solve with our technology. We developed a completely new type of electric powertrain, which is ultra efficient, meaning it saves 20% energy compared to the current state of the art, increases the range of electric vehicles by up to 20%, or with the same range decreases battery size by 20%. Second, and that's super important in the automotive industry, large scale, as we know, it's focused on low cost. So very easy, scalable mass production, standard materials, standard and easy manufacturing processes. And thirdly, it's so compact with such a high torque density that you can integrate it inside the wheels, effectively creating in-wheel motor systems. This completely new architecture is fully patented and developed by DeepDrive. What does it mean on a system level? We took a classic German example, the Volkswagen ID.3, and replaced their motor system with our motor system. And what happens? You have a 20% efficiency increase compared to state of the art. You save 15 kilowatt hours of battery. You save 1,800 euros of material costs, 3,000 euros of energy costs, 120 kilos of weight without sacrificing performance. And because the motor is inside the wheels, gaining significant space, 200 liters, to design completely new vehicles. This technology is validated and proven. We developed now the second generation of prototypes. We have in-house testing where we thoroughly tested our motors on our OEM-certified test benches, and the specifications like efficiency and target costs has now been validated by a large number of Tier 1 and OEM customers, as well as independent research institutes like the German Fraunhofer Institute. We've only been around for 50 months, so a very young company, but we have significant customer tractions. We're working with 8 of the 10 largest automakers in the world, have many projects ongoing. We have the first partnership set up. We rely on manufacturing partners to get this on the streets, and are working now with a number of Tier 1 suppliers. We scaled up our operations. We're now a team of 25 specialists with extensive experience. Earlier this year, we announced our first funding round. We'll go into our next funding round earlier next year of 4.3 million of high-profile investors. I think I don't have to talk about this because you're all aware of that. But electric mobility is not only coming, we're now at exactly the right time. I was especially interested in the Project X that was announced today because I think now is the time. If you look at the chart, in the second half of the 20s, that's when the electric vehicles really pick up globally. And these vehicle projects are starting now. Now is the time to introduce new, superior technology. And with a technology like ours, we want to be part of that. Second of all, we see many, and that's also exactly the trend MIH is following, right? We see many of these OEMs outsourcing large parts of their technology, focusing on specific parts, being close to the customers, and the whole platform, the whole technology there being available. We're working on 2 streams. We're either working with established and upstarting automotive players, large-scale volumes. These are just exemplary logos. Obviously, we can't announce a lot. And we see a potential serious start for us realistic in 2026. At the same time, we work with these niche players, commercial vehicles, micro-mobility players, smaller volumes, first series production of our powertrains already from 2024. Where we right now, we're just closing up our phase 1, where we showed the technology works, the market wants our technology, we can build a team, and we select the right partners to grow to the next stage. Then in phase 2, we focus on the industrialization, meaning really industrialize our technology, getting to a potential volume of up to 1 million units a year, and win first serious projects. And then in the third phase, we'll scale up our production. Where did we start? We as a founding team met nearly 10 years ago as the student motorsport team of TU Munich. So we were developing and building electric race cars as a student motorsport team. We didn't really study, we didn't take any exams, we just built electric race cars and learned a lot and grew together as a team. Since then, we gained significant experience in the industry. And then in May 2021, we founded DeepDrive together with an initial team of very, very strong experts. One of my co-founders was the lead engineer for electric motors at Bosch, another one coming from the Formula E, so we all have extensive background in the industry. And what we realized is you need the specific know-how and the deep expertise which we have. But that alone is not enough. You need to think visionary, you need to be completely devoted to radical innovation. And in many big corporates, you can be innovative, but it's hard to be radically innovative. And this is why we founded DeepDrive, because we said we want to combine being this speedboat, being quick, being fast in iteration, with the deep know-how of what we're doing in electric motors. This taken together is DeepDrive. We since grew, as mentioned, to a team of 25 absolute specialists with more than 10 years of experience in the motive industry for each single person in our engineering team. And we have great backers. One of our supporters, for example, the ex-CTO of Audi, Peter Mertens, another one, the ex-head of R&D of BMW. So really heavyweights in the automotive industry supporting us, advising us, and invested in us. And this is what we strongly believe, and this is why mobility and harmony so much resonates with what we're doing. To solve the most pressing issues of today, we need radically new technology. We have validated the technology that can have a real difference, but nobody in this room, no matter how big or small you are, can do this alone. So we need the right partners. We need to work together to get this into reality. And that's why we're so glad to be here today, to forge these friendships and these business partnerships to change mobility for the better. Thank you very much. We are DeepDrive.